What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 Week 18 live cop. Now, before I get into the video, I did want to say I don't know if this is the last week of Supreme or if it's next week, but if it is next week, I won't be able to make a live cop because, again, I will be in the shop. So regardless, this is going to be my final live cop of the Fall Winter 24 season. I do appreciate you guys so much throughout this journey. This was my first year that I actually uploaded pretty much every single week. I only missed 1 week, and that was because I was in the shop and I still uploaded. So I'm still pretty proud of myself because I did say I was trying to upload every single week of the season. I know though I'm going to miss next week if there is a drop next week, but you guys know what I mean. I'm still pretty hyped. That was like 17 of the 18 weeks for live cops. Again, thank you guys so much for sticking with me this entire Fall Winter 24 season. I was super hyped. There was a bunch of highs. There was a bunch of lows. It was still great. Thank you all again. I greatly appreciate it. But this week we got the Spider collaboration, and there's a lot of things that I actually kind of want to go for the personal. This is also Winter Tea Week, and I feel like I sound like a broken record at this point, but every single time it's a tea drop, I feel like I always say these teas are getting worse and worse and worse. This, I think, might be the worst tea drop. I don't even think I'm going to go for any, to be honest. Maybe like 2 or 3, or just maybe a 250 cart worth of them just to get the free shipping. I don't know. I don't really like these at all. So I feel like if I get the 2 that I think are decent, that's still not even close to get free shipping. But we're going to see, and let's just jump into what we're going for. So like I said, it is highlighted by the Spider collab. So I think we're going for a majority of those things. Pretty much the smaller stuff. We're obviously going for the cash paperweight keychain as well. Shout out to all the OGs that know about the original of this. Then we're going to go for the socks. I hope you can get 2 socks though, because it says that it's only a 1 pack. So that kind of sucks. I hope you can get multiple of those, but $28 for a 1 pack. We're still gonna try to get multiple of those. I would like to get the Zippo because I have every single Supreme Zippo, so that would just be nice to add to the collection. I was not selling those. I'm keeping those. I do want to get the gloves for the personal as well. I was a little iffy on if I want to go for the double knee painter pants in that purple colorway, only because I have no pants that color. But these things are sometimes hard to sell depending on the color. Like I got the orange one from last season. I still can't even sell that thing for retail, so I don't really know if I want to go for the purple, because if I end up not feeling them, I feel like I'm just gonna lose out on money. I don't know. It's a really nice color, and I feel like I have nothing that color, so I'm still gonna think about it. The technical jacket is super sick, but that's 600. We're gonna pass. We are gonna go for the beanies. Hopefully we can get all 3 of those. That would be nice. The hoodies are cool, and I really did like the windstopper as well, but we're gonna pass on those. Oh man, I think it's like hailing right now. I'm sorry if you guys can hear that hitting the window. Then we're gonna go for the ski mask too. I'm not sure which colorway because those are $68, so I'm gonna figure that out as well. And then the tee that I felt like was kind of decent. It's super plain, but the crest tee, I do like that because it does come with the matching beanie, which we will also go for if we get the tee. I'm assuming the tees aren't gonna sell out, but I just don't know if I'm gonna get it. The Vert Eyes tee is alright. That looks like that should have been with that collaboration from like 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I don't know if we're gonna go for that one. And then the Diamonds tee, that was alright. It has some Supreme branding on it. That was the other one I thought was like maybe decent. And I do kind of like the Smoke tee. I just feel like it's really hard to read, so I don't really think that that was gonna do well on the market. I mean, usually the tees don't really do well on the market, but you know what I mean. And then the Strawberry long sleeve, I feel like this had a ton of potential. Like this one would be a really good undershirt. Definitely had a lot of potential, but I still think we're gonna pass on this. And yeah, that's pretty much everything for the week. So there obviously is a lot of things that we're going for. That's 1, 2, that's like 10 unique items that we're going for, but we are going to try to get multiple colors of them, so still should be a pretty good week. We got about a couple minutes left into the drop, so before we get into it, I did want to say make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will put a card on the screen as well as a link in the description down below, and make sure you follow my brand Sudden. Again, all the information is going to be on the screen and the description down below, and this will probably be my final time plugging this, but please make sure you check out my room tour video. It will be the top link in the description, and I will put a card on the screen that you can click it after this video if you want to check that out. I spent a lot of time on that video, so if you guys could check that out, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you guys so much. But I guess that's enough talking, and let's just get into a live cop. Okay, we are live on the live cop, and we got about 1 minute left until the drop. I guess we could take a look real quick at the new stuff, see what's sold out. Oh yeah, it was box logo week. Obviously all of those sold out, and I still am kind of shocked that we didn't get those. There are those pants too. I took an absolute L on. I still haven't got those yet. I am very curious to see if they fit me. These look pretty nice. I didn't see these. Maybe I should have got those. Those might hit the sale though. Oh wow, all of these sold out this time. Usually they stay for a while. And then all of the beanies should be sold out. Yes, a ton of stuff actually sold out last week. I love how I said that as I hover over something that didn't, but a lot of things sold out last week. So last week was a pretty good week. We got just a couple seconds left until the drop. I don't know why I'm a little nervous, but I'm a little nervous. I mean, there's nothing like too crazy that I want for the personal. Like I'm not gonna be sad if I miss any of this, but maybe because it's my final live cop, so I'm hoping we can show out and get all the things that I want. There we go. Now let me see if I can remember. Oh, that's a really nice purple. Dang, I just got distracted on that. All right, we're gonna go here, get this. Okay, you can get 2. That's nice. That was probably a terrible idea. I knew it. So we got that. We need the gloves, and they're going to be a small. I mean, I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I'm going to get this medium. I'm just going to pray that the medium fits. Maybe I'll get yellow and a large and pray that one of those fit me. Got the gloves. Now we need the Zippo. Money keychain. Wow, you can get multiple of the money keychain. That's actually really cool. Kind of messed up getting there. Oh man, they come in sizes. Dang, I don't even know what size, and you can only get 2. So we're just gonna try to get this cart really quick. I did not get the yellow socks, so if I want to get those, I cannot forget that it was the yellow one that I did not get. Dang, I was kind of hoping for some reason that we wouldn't get the Q. I don't know what I was thinking. Dang, that kind of sucks. I want to go back and get those other things, but I won't be able to. The site shouldn't be that crazy right now. We do not need this Q. This is completely unnecessary. Just let me get through. And I'm nervous on the size of the gloves. I don't even know if I'm a medium. I don't even know if I'm a small on the socks. I like how the Hanes socks just come in the one size. Oh, we're through. Okay, perfect. You know what maybe I should do in case these don't fit? I should just get the next size up on the white and black sock. Not looking good. Had the hiccups. It's not looking good. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, we got all of those accessories that I wanted. So that is nice. So I think I'm gonna try, if they're not sold out, I'm gonna try to get those socks in the next size up. I guess I don't really need the yellow ones. All right, so let's go back. Got that. Here was the T I said was I mean, I don't know why I said different. I meant to say decent. Yeah, you only get 2 of those. Oh, I am on the new. This one I'm just so iffy on, I don't know. Maybe I might just get one of those. Now you can't even see that. Man, I'm wasting time right now. I'm just gonna get that one right now. That might have been a terrible idea. The Grinch tee is really cool too, but that's like a seasonal thing. And why can I not find the other tee that I was trying to tell you guys? Oh, right here. The Grinch tee is usually like a seasonal. Like if you don't sell that the first week you got it, you pretty much gotta wait until the following year to get that. I think I'm just gonna not get that, even though I do really like it. I didn't really want it for the personal, so I wasn't tripping too hard. Oh my god, guys, I forgot the hat. I forgot the hat. Well, now I feel like I should just check out and go back. How did I forget the hats? I was too sidetracked. Both the hats are gone. Love to see it. Dang, that was completely my fault. I could have got that too if I remembered them. Wow, that is unfortunate. I did get one of them though. I completely missed it. Oh, I got the black one. And I got the socks in the large XL. So definitely one of the socks are fitting me. We don't need any more socks. So let's try this again. Let's start from the top. I'm not getting that tee again because I'm already kind of regretting buying that. We'll go back. We'll grab this one. Grab this one again, but in a medium. You can only get 2, so we'll get those. This one, oh man, I forgot I did kind of want to get this pink. So then we're going to go back on the black and get the medium. I think I might just skip out on those other tees. I'm super salty about these hats right now. I can't believe I forgot that. Let me grab this and this. Can we get one more? Oh, you can. Those. None of this stuff should sell out, so I am kind of taking my time. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything else because I just missed all those. I'm kind of surprised the socks are still here and the gloves. I mean, I wish I remembered. I think I got these in a medium, so I might try to get these in a large just in case because I did really want those. And here they are. Are they gone? They're still here, full size run. Dusty purple is pretty sick. Man, I'm wasting time. Let me just check out and we'll think about this. No, we gotta go back in the queue. Only thing I'm nervous about are the large gloves. The rest of the stuff I really don't want. I'm kind of just grabbing it for the video. I felt like that. Oh, there we go. I felt like that last queue we weren't even in there that long. Dang guys, I ain't gonna lie to you. You can't see this right now and I'm sorry, but this capture question was kind of hard. The capture's about to give me. Now it's not processing, so something might have sold out and it was probably the gloves. Or maybe nothing sold out. More capture questions. Even more capture questions. Back into the queue? What in the world was that? Just let me get these gloves. This is not even a crazy cart. There's like 14 people on the site right now. Come on. Okay, we got it. We got the cart. So I'm pretty sure I got majority of things that I wanted. I only forgot about the beanies, and I don't even know how I did that, but I only forgot about the beanies. We got the gloves in both the sizes that I think I am. Hopefully one of those fit. Dang, a lot of this stuff is sitting, which I'm kind of shocked to be honest. Dusty purple still got the full size run, and the Grinch tee is still here too. I'm a little surprised on that as well. White sold out of all. Oh, I'm tripping. Gray sold out. I don't know why I thought that was white. Man, that is a really cool tee. I feel like I'm gonna regret not getting that for the personal, but I don't know. I guess I can appreciate that from afar. And yeah, guys, I think that's pretty much everything that I was going for besides these pants, but I might just pass on the pants to be honest. I don't know. I feel like I really like them on the screen, but those might be hard for me to wear. I'm sad, so if I don't like them, I know I'm not gonna get my money back. Usually on the crazy colored ones, like I can never get my money back on them. I'm not trying to take an L if I don't really like them. I guess I'll just set that one out, and I could probably end the screen recording. We pretty much got everything. So let me end this. So that's gonna do it for my week 18 live cop. We pretty much got most of the things I was going for. I just cannot believe I forgot all about the beanie. I don't know, it must have just slipped my mind. I was too focused on the glove and the socks being different sizes, so I think they kind of messed me up, but we got one of them, so I guess I can't complain too much. We got the gloves and the socks in both the sizes that I think I am, so I should be all set there. So it was a pretty nice and easy drop. I'm pretty hyped on what I got. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. So before I go, I did want to say I appreciate all your guys' support all throughout the fall winter 24 season. I pretty much much made a live cop every single week, and I plan to do that for the next season. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. Even though the next season won't be for a few weeks, I still plan on uploading other videos that obviously aren't live cops. So again, make sure you subscribe because you're not going to want to miss out on that. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you hit the like button. And like I just said, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are able to pick up anything from this week. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my Brandon Sutton. All the information will be on the screen as well as in the description down below. And lastly, make sure you check out my room tour video. I'll put another card on the screen as well as a top link in the description down below. I appreciate all your guys' support. I said that about 100 times in this video, but I really do. You guys don't understand how much it means to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next Supreme season. I'm out.